कुहरतलनिविष्टं त्वाङ्गरिष्ठं गिरीन्द्रः शिखिकुलनवकेका काकुभिस्तोत्रकारी स्फुटकुटजकदम्बस्तोमपुष्पाञ्जलिञ्च प्रविदधदनुभेजे देवगोवर्धनोऽसौ. Kuharathalanivistam is a compound word. Twam. Kuharathalanivistam twam because of Sandhi Anuswara changes to Nudar. Garishtham Thamaha Pranaha. Twangarishtham because of Sandhi. Girindraha is a compound word. Garishtham Girindraha because of Sandhi. Shikhikula Navakeka Kakubhihi is a compound word. Shikhikas Mahapranaha. Kakubhihi the Bhas Mahapranaha. Visarga changes to so that Stotrakari is a compound word. Shikhikula Navakeka Kakubhis Stotrakari because of Sandhi. Kuharatala Nivishtan Twangarishtham Girindraha Shikhikula Navakeka Kakubhis Stotrakari. Sphuta Kutaja Kadambastoma Pushpanjalim is a compound word. Sphuta Phas Mahapranaha. Cha. Sphuta Kutaja Kadambastoma Pushpanjalincha because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to new there. Pravidadhat, the second dhas Mahapranaha, and the tu in the end changes to d because of Sandhi. Anubheje Bhamahapranaha. Pravidadhat Anubheje because of Sandhi. Deva Govardhanaha is a compound word. Dhamahapranaha Asau. Govardhanosau because of Sandhi. Sphuta Kutaja Kadambastoma Pushpanjalincha Pravidadhadanubheje Deva Govardhanosau. Kuharatalanivistam Twangarishtham Girindraha Shikhikulanavakeka Kakubhistotrakari Sphutakutajakadambastoma Pushpanjalincha Pravidadhadanubheje Deva Govardhanosau. Atha Sharadamupetam Tam Bhavadbhakta Cheto Vimala Salila Puram Manayan Kananeshu Trinamamala Vanante Charu Sancharayan Gaha Pavanapurapate Twan Dehi Me Deha Saukhyam. Atha Thas Mahapranaha Sharadam Upetam. Sharadam Upetam Tam. Sharadam Upetam Tam because of Sandhi. Anuswara changes to N. Bhavad Bhakta Cheto Vimala Salila Puram is a compound word. Both Bhasa Mahapranaha. Manayan Kananeshu. Atha Sharadamupetam Tam Bhavad Bhakta Cheto Vimala Salila Puram Manayan Kananeshu. Trinam Amalavanante is a compound word. Trinam Amalavanante Charu Sancharayan Gaha Pavanapurapate is a compound word. Tvam Dehi Me Deha Saukhyam is a compound word. Khas Mahapranaha. Trinamamalavanante Charu Sancharayan Gaha Pavanapurapate Twan Dehi Me Deha Saukhyam. Atha Sharadamupetam Tam Bhavadbhakta Cheto Vimala Salila Puram Manayan Kananeshu Trinamamalavanante Charu Sancharayan Gaha Pavanapurapate Twan Dehi Me Deha Saukhyam.